Ever wondered how chronic stress affects your immune system? It's a question that's more relevant than ever in our fast-paced, high-pressure world. Chronic stress, that relentless, unending strain, is more than just an emotional or psychological burden. It has tangible physical impacts on our bodies, and one of the most significant areas it affects is our immune system. Now, the immune system is our body's defense force, our personal army that battles against invading bacteria, viruses, and other harmful substances. It's a complex network of cells and proteins that keeps us healthy and fights off illness. But what happens when this defense force is weakened? Well, that's where chronic stress comes in. It's like a covert saboteur, undermining our immune system's effectiveness. When we're perpetually stressed, our body's ability to fight off disease is compromised. We become more susceptible to infections, more prone to illnesses, and our overall health can take a hit. So, chronic stress can be a real drain on your immune system. But how does chronic stress impact your overall health, and why does it cause inflammation? Well, let's dive into it. Chronic stress, if left unchecked, can wreak havoc on your health. It's like a silent alarm that keeps your body in a constant state of alertness, which can lead to an array of health problems. For instance, it can contribute to heart disease by elevating your blood pressure or causing irregular heart rhythms. It can also increase your risk of developing diabetes by impacting your body's ability to regulate glucose. Moreover, chronic stress has been linked to mental health disorders like depression and anxiety. But here's where inflammation comes into the picture. Under stress, your body triggers an inflammatory response as a defense mechanism. However, when this response is prolonged due to chronic stress, it can exacerbate existing health problems and potentially give rise to new ones. Clearly, chronic stress can take a significant toll on your health. So it's crucial to manage stress effectively for a healthier and happier life. Have you ever stopped to think about the role neurological activity plays in human sensation and perception? Well, let's dive right in. Neurological activity is essentially the buzzing business of our brain's neurons as they communicate with each other. This activity is the basis for everything we sense and perceive. Human sensation, on the other hand, is our body's way of capturing information from our environment through our five senses: sight, sound, touch, taste, and smell. This sensory information is then sent to our brain for processing, and that's where perception comes in. Perception is our brain's interpretation of these sensory inputs, which shapes our understanding of the world around us. It's like the brain's own personal translator, turning raw data into something we can comprehend. The neurological activity, therefore, plays a pivotal role in how we sense and perceive our surroundings. The ceaseless chatter of neurons influences how we interpret and interact with the world. So our brains are quite busy making sense of the world around us. What about attention? How does it work, and what is the difference between attention and executive attention? Let's start by defining attention. Attention is the cognitive process of selectively concentrating on one aspect of the environment while ignoring other things. It's like a spotlight that we can shine on different parts of our surroundings or our thoughts, highlighting what we deem important at any given moment. Now, executive attention is a little more specific. It's a type of attention that involves the ability to regulate thought processes. Executive attention comes into play when there's some sort of conflict, like when you're trying to concentrate on studying for an exam, but your mind keeps wandering to the party you're missing out on. Think of executive attention as the boss in your brain, directing other cognitive resources to focus on the task at hand. It helps us ignore distractions and resist the temptation to do something more fun or less challenging. It's a crucial part of self-control and goal-directed behavior. Now let's talk about load theory. Load theory is a concept in cognitive psychology that refers to how our attention and cognitive processing capacities are limited. Imagine you're at a cocktail party. At first, you're able to hold a conversation with a friend, listen to the music, and keep an eye on the door for another friend to arrive. But as the room fills up and gets louder, it becomes harder to keep track of everything. This is load theory in action. As the load of information increases, our ability to pay attention to multiple things decreases. This is why it's so hard to multitask effectively. When we try to do too many things at once, our cognitive load increases, and our ability to focus decreases. So, how does this all tie together? Well, understanding attention, executive attention, and load theory can help us manage our cognitive resources more effectively. We can use strategies to reduce our cognitive load, like breaking tasks down into manageable chunks, and we can train our executive attention skills to stay focused, even when distractions are present. Remember, managing your attention effectively can make a huge difference in your cognitive performance. Now let's quickly recap what we've learned today. We delved into the profound effects of chronic stress on our immune system and overall health, with a particular focus on inflammation. We then explored the intricate workings of neurological activity and how it shapes our sensation and perception. Finally, we examined the concepts of attention, executive attention, and the intriguing load theory. Understanding these concepts can give you a deeper insight into the cognitive-affective basis of behavior.